Hello guys, my name is Kiran, and this video is all about the shell scripting. And let's start. So we will firstly go with introductions to the shell scripting. And before we start, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay. To know about the shell scripting, we must have a basic idea of this following term: the kernel, shell, process, pipe, and filters. Let's talk one by one. So first of all, kernel. So actually, the kernel is the computer program that manages your input-output request from the software, and it also it manages the resources of your Linux OS. So here, the resources means the facility which is available in the Linux. For example, the facilities to store the data or print the data on your printers, your memory, or the file management, etc. So let's talk about the task. Like there are the certain tasks like I/O management, like process management, device management, file management, and memory management. So let's talk about the process. So what is this process actually? So actually, we know that the process is carry out the task within the operating system, and the process can be taught as the computer program in actions. And then what is pipes? So actually, we know that the pipe is a form of redirection that is used in the Linux to send the output of one program to the another program for the further processing. And as we know that this pipe will be represented by this one single bar. And suppose we have the first command, and suppose we have echo one string, and we need to calculate the character from that string. Then we can separate, we can add the pipe in front of that string, and then we will write the other commands as like this. Then filters. Actually, when the program performs the operations on input and writes the results to the standard output, we will call it as the filters. So these are the most popular used shells are like first one is the bash, like born again shell. Basically, it is most common shells in the Linux, and it's a free fire shell. Then CSH, we can call it as the C shell. Basically, the C shell syntax and the usage are very similar to the C programming languages. And another one is the KSH, that is Corn shell. Uh, let's talk about what is shell. So basically, the shells accept your instructions or the command in English and translate it into the computer native binary language. As we know that the computer only knows the binary language. So shell is the command language interpreter that executes the commands that reads from the standard input devices like keyboard or the files. So suppose here your command or shell. Suppose like I have given some command here, and it goes to the Linux shell, and from that Linux shell, it convert into the binary language by the shell, as we know that, as we have discussed here. And now the Linux kernel understand your request, because actually we know that it only knows the binary language. So here are the Linux common commands. So yes, from in future videos we are going to look this in deep, but now just see the overview. Like to see the date, we are using the date command, uh, like this one. This pwd that if you want to know which directory you are now working, ls that list command. And these are the just here are some examples of these commands. Okay, and introductions to the shell scripting. And so we are going to look this into the next video. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment sections. And if you like the video, then do like this video and share with your friends. Thank you guys.